Welcome to the Tech Boom channel. Another new machine, the Glory V40, is officially launched. The smartphone market is really lively. New products are coming every day. As before, today I am still the first to bring you the real machine of V40 Glory. I will share my first feeling of V40 Glory with you. To use a word to describe, is the glory of V40 real hands, choked belly of heart, speechless. Glory V40 has three colors, black, silver and gold. This time I got the silver version. Let's talk about the appearance first. The Glory V40 is a double-hole curved screen. The fuselage is ultra-thin. The style of the back of the fuselage is also the first time that I have seen. The huge camera design and the gradual change color fuselage style. In terms of specific fuselage size, the Glory V40 is 163.0774, 26 x 8.04 mm and weighs only 189 g. In terms of fuselage style, the Glory V40 is a familiar super curved waterfall screen. It uses a 6.72-inch screen, accounting for 93.24% of the screen. Although it is a curved surface style, it has perfectly prevented false touch. The back of its fuselage is a brand new technology. It adopts the first double-layer texture coating, which realizes a sharp linear light layer in the fuzzy surface light layer. This seamless connection of light glass and highlight glass presents a full sense of high level, which not only looks young, but also has a sense of future. Talk about the first impression that the appearance brought to me. The design and color of the Glory V40 are still fresh in my memory. At the first sight, I fell in love with it. In addition, the fuselage of the Glory V40 is very light, and the material on the back of the fuselage feels very comfortable. In addition to the hardware, this is also what everyone cares about. Glory V40 is equipped with TNG1000 processor, 8GB large memory, 256GB body storage, 4000 mAh battery, rear high-definition 3 camera. Main camera is 15 million pixels. In addition, there are 8 million pixels ultra-wide-angle camera and 2 million pixels micro-lens head, front 16 million pixel camera. I specially used it to play the game for a while. The operation of Glory V40 was very smooth, and there was no cat-in at all. In addition, it has many camera functions, such as super wide angle, super night view and macro. Glory V40. Another thing I like is the charging speed of the Glory V40. 66W is really fast. It takes only 15 minutes to charge to 60%, and it takes only 36 minutes to fully charge. It should be noted that the Glory V40 has preset a 66W cable fast charging charger in the package, so users do not need to buy another one. The above is my first feeling when I started the Glory V40, and it is also my heartfelt words. I prefer the appearance design of the Glory V40, which is really light and good looking. In addition, its charging speed is really shocking. Glory V40 is also the first time that Glory has used non-Kirin SoC in its product line. Overall, it has not brought about experience. But to be honest, at this node, TNG1000 SoC is not a bright spot, and Glory is very important for TNG1000 SoC. Maybe it's because of the engineering machine, but as time goes on, I believe that Glory V40 will perform better with TNG1000. Glory V40 is a connecting link model after the independence of New Glory. Although it is not perfect, it is actually a product with the best specifications and performance for the market and consumers at this node.